We'll guide you through how to download the Dropbox app on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on the download button. This will take you to the Dropbox download page. Here, you can see a big button that says Download Dropbox. Go ahead and click that button. The download should start automatically. If prompted, choose a location on your computer to save the file and confirm the download. After the file has finished downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder or the specific location where you saved it. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. A setup window will appear, and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. Usually, this involves agreeing to the terms of service and choosing the installation path. It's recommended to go with the default settings unless you have specific preferences. Once the installation is complete, the Dropbox app will open, and you can log in with your Dropbox credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's also an option to create one directly from the app. After logging in, Dropbox will start syncing your files, which you can access via the Dropbox folder on your computer. You can now easily store, access, and share your files through the Dropbox app. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.